Hi, this is Kevin with KGM Jam, owner of Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and start advertise for free today. Okay, day 56 on my $10,000 challenge. Yeah, day 56. Here's the rules I go by to determine this amount. Now, this has nothing to do with Splinterlands themselves. This is my own personal challenge, and I'm videotaping every day, if possible, for a whole year to see how well I do, and that way I'll have a transparent record of it. And plus, you can go and look at what I did right or wrong, and you can pick whatever day to see, exactly how I'm doing it and all type of thing. So right here is what I've invested in since the beginning. Now, I didn't do anything for the first month as far as videotaping. I kind of started just 3 weeks ago. So that's when it starts. Little correction though. Um, I have bought 70 packs, okay, not 74. Four of those packs I bought with DEC that I got from buying, selling, and renting. And this is only money that I put in out of my own pocket. So as of right now, today, since the beginning of the year, I have put in $392 of my own money. Okay. And then the goal is to get to 10,000 and do that by paying myself back so that there's zero investment when I'm done. But even if I end up spending 1,000 and you got to 10,000, that's still a 10x on an investment, playing a game and having fun. Definitely not a disappointing outcome if it happens that way. But my goal is to get it to zero, to pay myself back, and then have a $10,000 asset value collection. All right, here's all the numbers. You can pause this and look at it. This is today's date, updated as of right now. When I did this, it's fluctuating by the minute. $805 value. I got 109 cards. My power points are the highest they've ever been. This is the number that even when everything else is going down, you want this to be going up at all times. That means you're making your set more valuable and more powerful. Okay, here's my free Splinter Shards airdrop. Total value is $42. The coin is only at 13 cents right now. It was at a quarter when I joined. And of course, right when I started this, everything dropped like everything else in the markets. And so I'm at half price. That should be about $84 right now. And it will be again soon as things go back up. So if I was to cash out today, if I just said I'm done, I'm not going to do it for the rest of the year, I'd sell everything and walk away with $455 after paying off my $400, which still that's not bad. I doubled my money within 1 month, and that's with the market crashing. So I'm excited on how this is going to go. Okay, so there's that stuff. The way I got over here, and it's also the first way to make money, was the affiliate program, because I'm an affiliate marketer. And so that's what I came over here first to promote it and make money from it. And then I fell in love with the game, and now I'm playing it. And it's absolutely, if you're a card gamer like Yu-Gi-Oh, Pokemon, all that stuff, you're going to love this game if you get into it. But first, let's do the fun stuff. Every day you do a quest. You got to win 5 victories. Today was the death quest. That means you got to use the death cards. And you get a chest as a reward. Now, in this chest, as your power rating goes higher, the rewards get better. But you get credits, cards. Yesterday I got a card, stuff like that. And then they do a season that's 12 to 15 days, twice a month. And depending on your ranking is the number of chests you get. So in 2 days, if my ranking doesn't change, I'm due to get 9 chests. But I want to get to silver 3, then I'll get 11. And I've seen people get as high as like 50 chests or whatever the number is. I mean, the really big guys are getting huge amounts of rewards. So let's go ahead and open this for today, see what I get. I could get a potion, I could get credits, DEC. As you get higher, you can get packs. You get cards, and it's a way to build your asset value without having to sink any money, more money. And of course, sinking money to it speeds it up. But that's not what we want to do here. I got another card today. So what I'm going to do with this card is I'm going to take it, It's about worth about 3-4 cents in the market. And what I'm going to do is take it and burn it and combine it with my other card that's like this, and it will make it more powerful and rarer. Because everybody who does this, who burns a card, who destroys them, is making less available in circulation forever. And that's why some of these cards are worth $750,000 right now. So to do that, now we're going to go open the pack. Now they got a new thing. I can only put $10 in instead of 4. I was buying 1 pack a day. So I put $10 in, and I bought 2 packs. We're going to use 1 this morning and 1 tomorrow, and it leaves me over 2,000, which is $2. So I might use that to buy a gold card, because the prices are just so damn low, or I'll save it for, uh, another pack. So let's go open the pack for today. So usually at the beginning of each video, I do these 2 fun things, and then I spend the rest of the video explaining how to make money. And I don't get into playing the game. There's so many other YouTubers doing that, and I'm still learning. So I don't think I'm the best one to be trying to tell you how to play it. But you can join, play for free. Okay, now the pack's opening up. I had no potions, so I get no bonuses, which gives you a chance to get a gold or legendary. But everybody gets 5 cards. You're guaranteed a rare or better. Okay, and when it lights up like that, that's the rare. So I only got one rare. Okay, so let's go open up the 4 commons. And then what I'm going to do with these commons, I'm going to combine them. I'm going to burn them and make more powerful cards. And then let's see what my rare is. This is a good card. I use them all the time. Still, I'm going to burn him and combine them and make more powerful cards. Now the commons, it takes 400 cards to max it out, which means if they mint 1 million of them, there can only ever be 2,500 maxes. And with 400,000 people playing, that's not a lot. And with over 400,000 people burning and stuff, there never will be 2,500 maxed out cards. Because there's people going to be holding on to them. Everybody wants one at least to play. So you see how these cards can really shoot up in value. So, okay, there's my pack opening for today. And those are all NFTs. All these cards are NFTs. Okay. So like I said, I came over here on the affiliate marketing program, and I just had my first sign up. I've signed a lot of people up, but just one person has actually bought the spell book, which is basically a $10 entry fee. And you can do this too. You just promote your link, and don't worry if you don't get nobody doing anything right away. See how they're starting to play and coming, because you can play for free. As I've been doing affiliate marketing, one thing I learned is you want to just collect people, and as they, at their own pace, join and get, I want you to be comfortable with this. I only promote what I use. And you can tell by the way I talk about it that I'm also a user, not just a promoter. And so they'll come around. So it's good to have people lined up. And so don't get caught up if you're recruiting people and nothing's happening. They will eventually pop in. So that's how I got over here. Then I started playing, fell in love with the game. And here we are. Now, DEC you make from battling. Once you get up to, I think it's bronze 3, you start getting paid DEC every battle you win. And you get, if you got gold cards that you use, you get bonuses. It's like 10% of gold card. It adds up. If you buy and sell in the market, you get paid in DEC. And that's what I do every evening. I've discovered that, especially in the United States at least, in the mornings, the prices are at their lowest. In the evenings, when everybody's off work and, got time to do it, the prices go up. So I buy in the mornings, I sell in the evenings. That's kind of been my strategy. And then I'll take that money and reinvest it, because it's not coming out of my pocket. And I also rent my cards out to get DEC. So, what was I going to say? The four ways you can make DEC, and then I reinvest them, and then by reinvesting it, I up my power points, which helps me get more splinter shard airdrop coins, which I'll show you in a second. So that's the DC. That you just use credit card to, if that's what you want to do. You can use crypto. You can use either one. Now I found out you can convert these into credits to buy packs. That's how I ended up buying those 4 packs, just to see. I didn't get anything good out of them, so it really was not worth it, because I could have done better by just buying. But you're gambling when you're opening packs. And the gamble was that I would get a much better card than I could afford to buy with those DECs. Wasn't the case. So I kind of, especially with the prices low right now, you're in more control when you can pick what you want to buy. And you got a strategy type thing. So let's go to Peak Monsters, which is attached to the market. And here's what my cards are worth now. This gets updated by the minute. And it's 804, went up $1.50 since we've been talking. And this number is what everybody's selling it for. This number, see, it just dropped to 7. See how it fluctuates? This number is what the last everybody sold at. So I use the lower number. One, it means you'll do better in the long run. If you use inflated numbers, then in the long run, it's not going to be realistic what's going on, even though they're kind of close. But the perfect example is I pulled in the first few packs that I bought, I pulled a legendary gold card, and it was selling for about 180, and now it's selling for about 100. But there's a couple guys selling it for 1,800. Okay, and somebody came in and bought up all the 120s, and to combine it to make it a maxed out card. So this showed $3,000. This was still like around 800, because the last one that sold was only sold at 120, not 1,800. So that's how you can get two numbers that are way off. This is what I'm due to make today in rental, 415 DEC, and I'll take all that and deposit it into, buy more cards. And there's my points, 77,910. Okay, that's my power points. And I think it's a little bit higher than that. So this is, you can do all sorts of stuff. This adds it all up for you so you know what your account's worth and all that. Let's go to the market, and I'll show you what some of the cards are worth. And then that will be it. And I'll start making game playing videos when I get a little bit more knowledgeable. But like I said, if you want to, you can join for free. If you would sign up on my link underneath the video, that shows your appreciation for me showing this to you. Subscribe and like. You can play for free. You don't have to pay nothing, and you can always opt out. And then, when you're comfortable, don't do anything till you're comfortable. Watch it, and okay, here's the market. And these are the lowest cards right now, and it takes 400 of these to max out. So it's about $12 worth of buying cards to max them out. But you want to get one of everything, because that way you can use them in the battle and all that. Okay, so let's show what some of these most valuable cards. I'm just going to go, these are the commons, and these are the cards that just came out in the packs. But the ones that came out in the last 3 years, let's go see what they're selling them for. And some of them they're not even selling. Okay, so this guy wants, the floor price is 21,000. There's only 87 left, and there's only 2 people wanting to sell. Okay, so that's, and then this one's 19,000, and then they go down that way. So you can see how valuable these cards can get. Let's go to the legendary, and let's go to the gold. And that will be your most valuable card. And we got to go all the way to the bottom. And so right now, the cheapest one of these is $588,000. Nobody's even trying to sell it. Nobody's trying to sell these. They're just sitting on. There's only 25. That's because everybody burned them. and there might be less even later. So I can't imagine if you had three of these cards destroying two of them. But if you did, it would make it three times more valuable. If you following me there, so that's the proof these cards do go up in value. Let's go look at the cheapest gold card. The cheapest gold legendary right now is $94.20. There's only 932 of them. Okay, I've got not this one. Where's the one that I pulled in the pack? Right here. The cheapest you can get them for right now is 105. There's only 517 of them. Only 10 people are selling. So that's I'm keeping him. He's going to go up in value over time and all that. And then the cheapest gold card is, I believe, 75 cents, 79 cents. So that's a bargain. And there's only 30,000 of them. And it takes 38 to max them out. So they're going to get chewed up. Even these, see, this is what I want to buy with the $2 worth. I'll buy a couple of these $1 ones, and that's my investment. I got three strategies going on here. I got my gaming deck, which I'll use that. Then I got my investment deck, which I sit on, and then I got my buy and sell division. I divided it up into three groups. Every night I buy and sell, and I'm selling about $5 to $10 worth, which is probably making me a profit of 30 to 40% maybe, and then I'm reinvesting it, and that's going to speed it up. So one last thing before you go, I'm going to show you. Oh, something else that you're getting right now is if you buy any packs, they do an airdrop every million packs. Now there's 7,400,000 packs left. So 400,000 more, they'll drop the next airdrop. And I did get two legendary cards, these two right here. But I didn't get one here, and these three I was ineligible. So for each pack you've bought, there's a small percentage chance when you do the drop that you'll get one of these cards. This one, I don't know who he's going to be yet, but when he opens up. So technically, theoretically, I could get 74 legendary cards that are roughly $5 to $10 each. If I got one, I'd be happy though, because it's so small. Somehow I got two on this one. It blew my mind when I got it. And they're worth like $5 each right now. So that added to my total. Just thought you might like to see that. So here's what they're doing also right now for the next 150 days is an airdrop of their new Splinter Shard SPS. Okay. And every day I'm getting right now 7, and that goes up as this goes up. And here's the total amount that they've given me. This is for free. This is just for they just depending on what your points are. I'm at 4161, and that's half of what it was when I joined. So this could easily be at 82. And then I'm on top of that, I'm staking. So look at this. I just did this 5 minutes ago, and I got another 0.011 that I'm going to stake and add to my total. And so in the year time, I should come out with about, I'd say close to 5,000 Splinter Shards. And what if it goes up to $1? What if it goes up to $5? What if it goes, the more I've learned about Splinterlands, the more I like. It's got a really good team, and they're always reinventing and changing things. It's not a platform that is just dead in the water. This is a evolving constant. We get 3 to 5,000 people joining a day. We got over 400,000 daily players. 2 million people have signed up. It's probably they're just not too well known outside of the crypto world, which that can be hard for a new IP. It really can. But what I see them doing, they're doing it the right way, and I think they're going to be around for a very long time. So anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.